Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Yoga with Neha. This is a follow along stretching routine to improve back flexibility for beginners. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Come to your mat and start holding downward facing dog pose. Lay down on your stomach and come into cobra pose. Stretch your shoulders to come into puppy pose. Lift your legs, straighten your hands to do locust pose. Come into tabletop position, bend your back to do cow pose. Round your back, look down to do cat pose. Lay down on your stomach, grab your ankles and pull your upper body to do a bow pose. The last pose is child pose to relax your body. That's all for today's video guys. Make sure to practice this stretching routine at least 5 times a week to get better result. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.